In today's video, we're going to talk about this new project called Revenue Coin. So I will be explaining every single details into this video so that you will be able to understand what is this project for, how you will be able to make money on this one. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe right now. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so again, Revenue Coin is the world's first tokenized revenue-based ecosystem. So Revenue Coin holders fund high-tech companies to scale startups. Receiving funding allocate up to 10% of the revenues to the systematic purchase of RVC from the market, reducing the supply and also increasing the value. So this is already listed in PancakeSwap. You can now just go directly into this platform over here. Of course, do not forget to log in your MetaMask. Okay, so after you've done that, you just click the I understand because you need to import the token, and then you just go forward into this and just pick whatever coins that you want to buy, whether you're going to buy it via BNB, via QDrop, or via USDT or anything. It is actually your choice, whatever you want to buy, but this is how you will be able to buy it. So just click on this. So let's see how much is one revenue coin right now. Okay, I'm actually curious on this. Okay, so one revenue coin is around 1 USDT is equals to 32 revenue coin into this portion. Okay, so the good thing here is that I think this is pretty much low, and also you can see that there's more than 9% increase in 24 hours into this coin. So this is particularly awesome. As you can see here, they have been featured on Telegram, Crypto Potato, Crypto News, and you'll be able to read more of the white paper if you go into download here at the lower part of the screen. So this is the official white paper, and as you can see here, this has been professionally created. So they just had done since November 2021. So this has been officially published. Okay, so you'll be able to see why the revenue coin is unique. So you can be able to go here. So they are also solving the issues in terms of in form of product commercialization. So in here, you'll be able to have a proportionate share of profits. So they create a capital inflow for the creators. So they are encouraged by growing interest in investing in cryptocurrencies, and in this respect, Revenue Coin also brings the creators closer to capital by aiding exciting projects. Okay, so of course, if you're going to aid an exciting projects, then probably it is the best for the ecosystem. This is best for the platform, and I think aiding the exciting projects as well is one of the hardest things to ever do, or to actually do inside this cryptocurrency space. So you really need to be wise. Okay, that's just what I'm trying to say. And I'm actually, I want to share to you the tokenomics. I think this is one of the best, or one of the important items if you are looking at this revenue coin. So the growth factors. Okay, so settlement between holders and revenue capital takes place through the buying and burning of available RVC tokens. Burning, reduction of supply, and increasing token purchases increase RVC value systematically and consistently over time. So currently, Revenue Capital has two portfolio companies, which is Xeria and Skyrocket. So both generate revenues by providing solutions for crypto investors to trade via APY, with increasing revenues depending on the volume of trading on these exchanges. Okay, now this is the revenue coin growth model. So this is actually the projection. Okay, how it will change in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years. So this is more likely like the estimates. So if you're actually into this long term, so the projection is for one revenue coin that's more likely 3,723 USDT. So currently right now, if you're buying $1, okay, if you're buying $1, okay, $1 worth of revenue coin, so that's 32 multiplied. Let me just go back into this. Multiplied by 3,723, so 32 multiplied by 3,723, you're going to get a positive profit of $119,000. Okay, I know this might be pretty much early, but if they can actually like go with the flow of the project, they can actually execute a lot of things into this project, then this 3,723.97 USD of revenue coin is just very easy to attain, okay, and also maintain. Okay, so like what we've already mentioned before, this is the two companies that are being backed by revenue coin. So this one is a Skyrocket. So Skyrocket Trade is for crypto traders with a powerful trading platform connected with multiple exchanges, allowing access to several algorithmic trading solutions, bots, and building toolkits based on the block ecosystem. The platform enables users to develop own bots quickly and without programming skills required. And I think it is also good to mention here is that if I'm going to use a bot, okay, especially a trading bot, I would really prefer to go with crypto, because first of all, in forex, this is the big difference if you are using a bot in crypto and forex. In forex, you will be able to use the bot, but if you're using some sort of a style like martingale, which you are always doubling the amount of your money whenever it goes down, and I think you're going to burn your money in forex. But here in crypto, if you set up a bot, you can actually set up a bot anytime. And the good thing here is that you're just going to buy and hold, wait for that token to go up. That's just for my bot style, okay? So that's why I would recommend, if they are actually allowing these trading solutions bot into their system, this is actually awesome, and it is a really good accomplishment too. Okay, so this is the team behind Revenue Coin. So Jarek Bialek, I'm not sure if I pronounce it correct, okay, is having 15 years of experience in building startup companies and accelerator projects. Okay, so this guy is more like the startup guy. Okay, you can go to this guy and also build a really good projects. So that is why he's also the CEO of Skyrocket. And I'm actually amazed because these team are docs. So I think that's one of the best what do you call that's one of the best qualities that you always look for into this project, is they actually do not care if they show themselves. Okay, so Piotr Piaski, I'm not sure if I pronounce it again correctly, is also the member of the board of Revenue Capital. So 20 years of experience managing enterprises as SEO in Poland and United Kingdom. So he specializes in marketing and sales. Okay, Kuba now is the creative front-end developer with 9 years experience leveraging Java and JavaScript, and crypto market expert and advisor in multiple ICO projects is Adi M. Sukrowski. Okay, and we can just go forward here, and you can see that there's even advisors into this project, which is particularly awesome for me, because I mean, if you are just having a project and you do not have any advisors, you do not have any second opinion, then I think that's pretty much like going to be a worst case scenario for you, because I mean, every single idea is also countable in terms of crypto and how you'll be able to utilize it and everything. So I think that's pretty much it. Okay, so they have been partners with the Private Investment Group, AIBC Summit, Coinzilla, and even more. So you can see that even though they're just started,